5G network can help us stream movies fast, but do you know that it can lower health risks for factory workers? Let's explore this toilet factory in Fujian and find out, what does 5G-enabled smart factory look like?
那我们这边呢，基本上已经把智能制造应用到我们生产工艺上的各个环节上了。比如说我们的私有机器人，还有 AGV 小车，然后智能马垛，包括我们的视觉检测。
Intelligent manufacturing has solved some long-standing problems for manufacturers of ceramic toilet fixtures. For instance, manual glazing induced occupational health issues.
这是我们的5G 智能施釉机器人。我们现在用机器人施釉去取代了人工施釉。那机器人取代人工施釉之后呢，它的合格率可以就是施釉的均匀度可以达到100%，并且就是取代人工之后，我们的就是可以减少一些员工的这种人身伤害。
Besides the tangible aspects of intelligent manufacturing, like robots, invisible artificial intelligence is also playing its part. In this smart factory, artificial intelligence is used for automatic quality inspection.
这一个是我们的机器视觉检测自动自检的。那这一个的话，它跟其他的场景不太一样，它除了有应用到我们的5G 网络之外，它还用到了5G 的边缘计算跟 AI 算法。那这一些呢，它直接给我们带来的效益就是说，比人工来讲的话，它的自检速度可以提升大概10倍左右。
The manufacturing of ceramic bathroom fixtures used to be very energy consuming and polluting, but in smart factories, it is becoming greener and more efficient.
那整体的来讲的话，我们的总体产能的话，大概是相比普通的这种非智能制造工厂来讲的话，大概是提升50%的产能。那人耗的话也会降低在7%左右。
China will speed up digitalization in the next 5 to 15 years, according to China's 14th five-year plan. Smart factories powered by new digital technologies such as 5G, artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and big data are becoming the next game changer for China's manufacturing industry and an important foothold for promoting high-quality economic growth.